Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and I want to show you something interesting I found out about my Global. I put the arm on the closer a certain way. I'll show you how I did that in a little bit. But watch this. It's got the same sweep and latch as from my previous video when I showed it fixed. But watch this. See, it has a fast delay, and then the latch, it has the latching action now. So I gave it a latching action. See, slow, and goes the latching action. And one thing I forgot to mention, if I have the sweep and latch fast, it'll do a little slow speed in between. So I can have my sweep speed fast and my latch speed fast, and it'll do a slow speed in between. Oh, and one more thing. If I put the arm on the closer parallel, like perfectly horizontal this way, the door will do that little lock, a little 90-degree lock, like on the Cal Royal door closer, how it didn't open all the way because of the preload. But see? Now, if you want to see how I did this, I'm going to show you right now. I have the bolt loosened, so we're going to take this. Take the bolt out. Take the bolt out. And now watch. See? I have the arm on perfectly at an angle. So now the closer will do. So the closer will do that latch action. So now I'm gonna try to put the arm back together. Put the arm back together. There we go. Next, right, and I will show you it again. And I will show you it again. Ladder out of the little, by the ladder out of the way. As you can see, now I canceled the latching action by preloading the arm a little bit. I got rid of the latch action by preloading it or out a little. So when the door closes, it latches smooth. So when I let go, it's a slow latch. See? Watch. So we will show you it one more time, then that'll be it. Well, I guess that'll be